Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our daily lesson. Today we are learning how to find slope. This one is mistake. I gotta fix this one. Slope. Alright, this one is slope. How to find slope of a given point. That's what we learn. So we're given 2 points. So what we do first, we're gonna write each point x1, y1, and then this one we're gonna write x2, y2. Reason is the slope formula says m equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So that's what we needed. Yeah, so that's why y2 minus y1. So m equals our y2 is 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6, and then 12 minus 4, because x2 is 12, then we have minus x1. Yeah, so in 12 minus 4. So even if you want, you could write this one x1 y1 and then you go backwards, then we're gonna get the same slope anyway. So when we subtract this one, 10 minus 6, this will be 4, and then 12 minus 4 is going to be 8, and then we divide it. Means we know 4 is half of 8, so we divide by 4, and then this one is going to be 1 over 2, because 4 times 2 is 1. So our m, so this the slope of this is going to be half. Slope of this. So we are asked only to find the slope, so we don't have to write the equation, just m. What's m? That's the way we solve. Okay, we do example 2. Example 2, the same thing. We're gonna write our slope formula and then we solve. M. This one first. We write, okay, m equals y2 minus y1, and then x2 minus x1, and then it's up to you. So if you can write this one x1, it doesn't matter, so you have to go one way. So don't mix it. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. If you want, you can write x1 y1, and then the other one is going to be the same anyway. So the slopes will be all the time equal. So y2 is going to be 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6, and then this one is going to be 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4, and then this one will be negative 4, because 6 is bigger. Negative 4. This one, it will be added, because minus plus, and then 12 plus 4 is going to be 16, and we divide by 4, we're going to get negative 1 over 4. So in this case, our slope is negative 1/4. So our slope m is equal to negative 1/4, which is correct. So our example 3 says this one. So we're gonna mark our first x1, y1, x2, y2, and then we're gonna write our slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, which is, then our y2 is going to be negative 8 minus 4, and then this one is going to be 3. Our x2 is 3 minus minus 5. So this what will happen, and minus times minus 8, then it will be plus. Minus times minus will be plus 4, and then this one is going to be the same thing, 3 plus 5. So this one, when we subtract, we're going to get negative 4 over 8. Negative 4 over 8. Then we simplify, so we divide by 4. This one we divide by 4, so this one will equal, we divide 4, so it's going to be negative 1 over 2. That's 2 times 4 is 8, so our slope in this case is negative half. So how about if we change the signs, or this one, if we make x1 and then y2, okay, minus 4 plus, yeah, it's still, we're gonna get 4 on top, and then this one minus 5 minus 3, we're gonna get negative 8 at the bottom. Yeah, so it's gonna be the same. Yeah, so if we go other way around, yeah, we're gonna get negative half slope. Yeah, the slope is gonna be negative. Yeah. And the fourth example is points 1, 1 and 5, 9. So we mark x1, y1, x2, y2, and then we're gonna write our slope formula, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, which is equal, y2 is gonna be 9 minus 1, and then 5 minus 1, then will be 8 on top, and 9 minus 1 is 8, and then 5 minus 1 is 4, and then 8 divided by 4 is 2. Our slope is 2. Our slope is 2. Yeah, so when we given 2 points, and then when we are asked to find what is the slope, just we can find m, which is very, very simple. We don't have to write the equation, just the slope. Then we follow whatever the equation says. Have a great day, everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.